This is a reminder for taxpayers to update banking details. Updating banking details with SARS is crucial. Let's explore why this matters. Ensuring your banking details are updated can avoid delays in receiving your refund. It's a simple step that saves you time. An incorrect or closed bank account could mean your refund gets stuck or paid into the incorrect bank account. Update your banking details with SARS to avoid such issues. Avoid your refund being paid to someone else's account by ensuring your banking details are correct. Updating your banking details is simple. Log into your SARS e-filing account. Then, click on the Maintain SARS Registered Details on the left-hand menu. Then follow the prompts. Make it a habit to keep your details up to date with SARS to secure your refund. For a detailed video, visit our YouTube channel, SARS TV, and search how to update banking details on SARS e-filing. SARS, at your service.